Building Your Network with LinkedIn, brought to you by More Career Services at the Lundquist College of Business. When you're preparing to network, start with your existing network. Whether you're aware of it or not, you do already have a network. The inner circle is made up of your mentors or board of advisors. These are people who you typically go to for advice. They might be parents, friends, community members. They're your trusted inner circle. The next circle out are your advocates. These are people who are familiar with your work or who know you, and if an opportunity were to become open with their company, they would advocate for your candidacy. The outer circle is made up of your contacts. These are people you might have connected with once, maybe twice, perhaps on LinkedIn, perhaps after a speaking engagement at a club, etc., but you don't know them very well yet. So how do you turn contacts into advocates? We recommend setting up informational interviews. Now, these are not job interviews. An informational interview is a conversation that you have with a professional who is working in a job, company, or industry that you want to learn more about. Then, from there, we recommend continuing to develop the professional relationship. How do you find contacts? We recommend using the LinkedIn Alumni Search tool. To use LinkedIn to find alumni, you'll want to think about searching by keywords. Now, that might be as simple as your area of concentration, marketing, finance, etc. Or it might be the target location. Maybe you have a certain metro area you'd like to live in after graduation. Or if you've already built your top companies list and have an idea of what companies are of interest to you, you can go ahead and search by company. Let's see what that looks like. So if you go to your LinkedIn profile, in the search bar, type in University of Oregon. Then when the U of O LinkedIn page comes up, go ahead and click follow if you haven't already, and then select alumni from the menu. Over 140,000 U of O alumni are on LinkedIn. That's a lot of possible connections out there for you. So remember, you'll want to enter your search criteria, your keywords, then click the location or company and scroll down to see related alumni profiles. When using LinkedIn to connect with alumni, be sure to send a connection request with a personalized message. So this is a customized invitation to connect. Don't just click the connect button, because many professionals won't connect with you then. When building a custom invitation to connect on LinkedIn, remember that you have 300 characters. In that space, you need to introduce yourself, tell them why you want to connect, which is not to ask for a job or an internship. You are connecting to build your network. Once you're connected, then ask a question or two, or try to set up an informational interview, and then continue to build the relationship. But first, ask for the connection. Try it out. Looking at the alumni profiles, find one to learn more about. Click on the picture. Read through the About section, if there is one, and hopefully there is one, because that's one of the easiest ways to learn more about someone. Then, look down through the Experience section. How did this person get to their current position? Look at education. Do you have anything in common with this person? Were you part of the same clubs, for instance? Participate in the same sports? Things like that. The more points that you have in common with someone, the easier it is to start a conversation. Draft an invitation to connect and start reaching out. Once you connect, ask your connection if they have time for a few questions. Then try to set up an informational interview. And don't forget, virtual counts too. Then always follow up by thanking your connection for their time and being sure to reach out to your connection every once in a while. Send an update on your career search progress or share an article that you think they might be interested in, and keep growing that professional connection. Someday, it's possible that an opportunity might open up in their company, and when you go to apply, you'll want to reach out to your connection and ask them for advice. Takeaways here. LinkedIn is a tool to begin building authentic professional relationships, and those relationships are the cornerstone to a great proactive job search. Strategically grow your network by reaching out to alumni. For further support, join us for Drop-In Advising in Lillis 155, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday through Friday, weeks 1 through 10, during fall, winter, and spring terms. Make an appointment with a career advisor on Handshake. For more resources, including video content, check out our website, more.uoregon.edu.